what we'll do is we'll have a look at the TCP dump option. So in the first case we open up the FTP dump, so what we should see is a host connecting to an FTP server. So we should hopefully see port 21. So we can see here port 21. So the client contacts the server responds back with a SYN-ACK, and then the host responds back to the server with an ACK. So the ports in this case used is 3655 on the host. So the host source port is 3655 and the server TCP port is port 21, of course. The host IP address is 192.168.75.1 and the server IP address will be 192.168.75.132, and we can tell that because this is the server IP address here. So what's the MAC address of the server? So initially we see an ARP request, so this is the broadcast to the network. So the MAC address which is returned back is this one here. So this is the MAC address of the server because it's on the local subnet. Okay, so they identify the packets used for the SYN-ACK, SYN, SYN-ACK and ACK. And the password, unfortunately in this capture program we can't actually see the contents here. Normally we would put our mouse over it and we should be able to see it. But here we will find the user and here we will find the password used for the FTP. When we want to find the ports used, then we've got to go to this response here. It's difficult for us to see without the mouse over, but so we can see that we have our FTP commands along here.